talking about Reliance Digital. It's India's largest CDIT retail store. 2,000 stores in 600 plus cities. Reliance Digital is making technology accessible to every Indian. Yes, and as we got them here, and we all know that Jagga Jasus is releasing on 14th this month. So we are going to ask few questions to them, but before that, Ranbir, I'll come to you. As today we are talking about technology and gadgets and everything here. Everything is very high-tech today. So, is there any special gadget or technology you guys use in the film, Jagga Jasus?
Well, first of all, good afternoon everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you to Reliance Digital for hosting us today. I think I'm a big tech geek. I love technology. I love gadgets. I think the newest gadget that I'm using right now is the Leica camera. It's a monochrome camera. It only clicks black and white pictures. That's something I really love. And of course, the iPhone. I'm a big fan of the iPhone 7s.
And any special technology like you guys use in Jagga Jasus?
No, actually, because it's a detective film.
Okay.
What happens is technology makes everything very easy. So we set it at a time and in a land where you don't use technology that much. Of course, you use the internet, to do some research. But we've not gone too much in the technology part of the world.
Right. And Katrina, I'll come to you. What is your favorite gadget?
Gadget, I don't know. I'd say first my phone, maybe, because especially now that I'm on Instagram, I'm always looking for the new apps and the new photo, taking apps which make the pictures look interesting, and headphones. I'm really big into headphones. I'm always looking for the right, perfect headphones, especially to use in the gym.
Okay, and as we are talking about gadgets and technology, like gadgets are everywhere, like various. Okay. So various type of headphones, phones, everywhere. So whenever you guys go out to get something new for you guys, like what do you guys do? Or especially a store like Reliance Digital, like the collection is huge, the store is huge, so it's a really difficult task, right? So how you guys will pick something and like on what basis? And
I think you have to be interested. You have to do a lot of research. You have to also take recommendations, either your friends or somebody who's already used it. But like you said, the competition is so fierce right now. There's so many brands. Everyone's pushing the barriers of technology. If there's television, if there's mobile phones, headphones. But it has to be a personal taste. You have to have a certain connect with the product. And I think Reliance Digital really gives you that array of choices.
They're experts and all, because they are going to guide you exactly what you need and what you want. Yeah, I am coming to you. Like as you said, you like headphones and phones. So suppose suddenly like your phones or whatever gadget is really close to you, it breaks down. What would you do?
I have no idea. What should you do? You seem like you have the answer to that question.
Yes, I have.
I think you should tell me.
Yes, I have. Suppose like any brand, any gadgets, like if something breaks down, like you can call anybody, any tech buddy from Reliance Digital, because they have a special expertise department which is called Rescue. So
Rescue. Well,
yeah.
Rescue definitely is going to be my first call, and now that you've helped me out with that information, it's good to know. If anything breaks down, Rescue is the place to go.
Yes, and I'll come to you again. As we know, technology made this world really a stage. Like a lot of people using a lot of platforms, they're performing, they're going to another level, they're getting fame out of it, like viral videos, everything. Like if you get a chance to promote any of your hidden talents, like which none of us or any of your fans, we really actually don't know. So which will be it? Like,
Wow, I'm not a man of so many talents, but I can
we
do
all
this.
know you are extremely talented.
Thank you, but that's just the acting part. But I know how to do this. Not many people know that I do this.
Awesome! That was really great. I'll come to you again.
It wasn't that great also.
No, that was great. I'll come to you again. If you go for an adventure trip, like what are the gadgets like you are going to carry?
I think a phone.
I think I'm definitely going to carry you because you have the answer to everything. So can you come
No,
with me?
I don't have the answer of this question.
I think a phone. I think a camera. Also, I still like digital cameras as well. As obviously we all use our phones, but I do still like the digital cameras. My headphones, a portable charger. You know the chargers you don't need to plug in, like a battery pack. That's always useful. Yeah, I think these would be the main things.
Okay. And
I'm taking you. I'm not taking anybody else. You carry all these things with you.
no, I have one more question to you. That is, like, I still remember when I got my first computer or my first phone. I still remember. Like, do you have any gadgets, like you, whether emotions is there and why? Like, you remember any particular incident or gadgets like related to emotions and all?
Yeah, I think, when you break a gadget, like more or less you break your phone all the time. You drop it, the screen cracks. And it's quite a task to, transfer all your messages, pictures, notes to a new phone. But now today, because of technology, it's so easy. You can just do it via the laptop. But no, I've been quite careful. I haven't broken many things.
Okay, that's great. Now I'll come to, because we are at Reliance Digital, so we are going to talk about Jagga Jasoos in the context of technology, as I said. And we all heard that it's a musical film, right? So please say something about it.
I think we've said enough for the last 2 weeks. There's nothing much left to say about it. But yes, it's out now in 2 days. Like you can see these amazing gentlemen carrying the 2 days to go Jagga Jasoos poster. Extremely excited. It's a musical, it's an adventure film. And abhi Friday ko pata chalega.
Right, I wish you all the luck. And one more last question to you. That among your all popular Bollywood friends, like, who do you feel needs to be more tech savvy, and what are the products like you are going to recommend them?
I feel there's a very few select group of people who are still on the BlackBerry phone. And I think that those people, they're holding on, we all love it, but I think maybe it's time now to look to some options.
We would love to know the names.
No, I can't tell you that. That's a secret. It's a secret committee who's on BlackBerry.
Okay, thank you so much. Now we have few winners with us from the online contest of Reliance Digital. So I will call one by one for the photograph session. So I'm going to call the first winner of the online contest. It's Just Randhava. Okay, so we got all our winners. Now it's time for the press. Yes, our media persons are there, like, to ask few questions to them. And now the floor is open for you guys. Whatever, like you guys, I am sure you guys have a lot of questions to them. You guys can ask.
Hi, this is Ravi Kumar from Bollywood Spy. In front of you, center. Ranveer, क्योंकि
It's called Bollywood Spy.
Yeah, Bollywood Spy.
जगह जासूस.
Yeah. Okay. रणवीर, आपकी और कटरीना की जोड़ी जो है वाकई हिट तो है ही है, लेकिन क्योंकि ये फिल्म म्यूजिकल है, इससे हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि आपकी और प्रीतम दा की जो जोड़ी है वो भी एक सुपर हिट है. क्या कहना चाहिए इस पर?
वेल, मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ. आई थिंक जो भी मेरे हिट फिल्में हैं, प्रीतम दादा का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है उसमें. आई थिंक जो म्यूज़िक उन्होंने मुझे दिया है, उसकी वजह से फिल्म खुली है. जो एक्साइटमेंट हुई है फिल्म की, वो बहुत उनकी वजह से हुई है. तो मैं उनको बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ, बहुत ग्रेटफुल भी हूँ. एंड विद जगह जासूस अगेन वी कंप्लीटेड आई थिंक हमारा 7th या 8th फिल्म टुगेदर. वो अयान की फिल्म में भी म्यूज़िक दे रहे हैं. सो आई हैव अ लॉन्ग जर्नी विद हिम एंड आई एम जस्ट वांट टू से अ बिग थैंक यू एंड शाउट आउट एंड अ लॉट ऑफ लव टू प्रीतम दादा.
कटरीना, आपसे भी एक सवाल है कि ये फिल्म तो आप कर ही रही है, ब्लॉकबस्टर लग रही है फिल्म. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? रणवीर के साथ आपकी जोड़ी, क्या कहना चाहिए आप?
आपकी मुंह में घी शक्कर. That's what I have to say. We're really hoping. I think it's been 3 years of a long journey, a lot of hard work. Anurag Basu has worked, I mean, it's the only thing he's done in the last 3 years. He's come up with a spectacular vision. Me and Ranveer have worked as hard as we possibly can, put all of our love and our efforts into the film. So we just are praying now that come Friday, which is 2 days away, that the audience is with us and supports us.
And कटरीना, ये फिल्म तो आप कर ही रही हैं, इसके साथ साथ at the same time you're doing movies with 3 Khans in different films. So what would you like to say? 3 खान के साथ काम करना एक साथ एक समय पर कितना बड़ा चैलेंजिंग होता है और क्या एक्सपीरियंस आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
I mean, I've worked with Amir, Shah Rukh and Salman previously, and all of those films were really wonderful films. So I'm just really happy to be part of good films, to be working with good directors, good cinema, good co-stars and good scripts. I mean, I think I'm really privileged right now to be having really exciting work and to be challenged and inspired by the work I'm doing.
जैसे आलोक, जैसे तू जानता है कि रिलीज के पहले सबकी हवा टाइट हो जाती है. क्या होगा हमें पता नहीं, क्योंकि
फोन है या कॉफी है? कॉफी है. नहीं गुमा, हाँ फोन है, ठीक है.
हाँ, तो हवा टाइट है, लेकिन वही अच्छी बात है. आई थिंक ये जो फीलिंग होती है रिलीज के पहले, इट मेक्स यू फील अलाइव, इट मेक्स यू फील के थिंग्स मैटर, के इट मैटर्स द फिल्म. अभी कटरीना आज निकल रही है आईफा के लिए, सो वी विल मिस हर इन द नेक्स्ट 2 days, बट शी इज़ गोइंग एंड स्प्रेइंग द वर्ड इन अमेरिका. बट लेट्स सी, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. दिस 3.5 साल की मेहनत, जो लेबर ऑफ लव है, ये आज फाइनली 2 दिन में निकलने वाली है.
Ranveer, hi, this is Priyanka. Recently,
Where are you from, Priyanka?
Indian Express.
Hi.
So Salman has decided to compensate distributors for tube light loss. So as a producer, do you believe in that?
अरे पहले फिल्म तो रिलीज होने दे यार. प्रॉफिट लॉस के बारे में बात कर रही है.
But as a producer, do you think that that's unfair, or do you think that should be done?
It's been going on since years. My grandfather was a producer from 1950, and I think that whole home style of making films where everybody should make money, not just the producer, the distributor, the exhibitor. So it's a very healthy exercise, when somebody loses money on something where you have kind of made money on. It's very good to compensate. It's a healthy exercise, but like I said, it's from person to person, from film to film. But yes, I've been hearing this from my grandfather's time. When his films like Mera Naam Joker, they all didn't work and distributors had heavy losses. So when he released his film after that, Bobby, he gave more of a percentage to the distributors and exhibitors. So there was a sense of balance in it. So it's a very healthy exercise. Personally, yes, if I had losses and if I was making money out of it, yes, I would definitely do it.
Ranveer, hi. Katrina, hi. This is Ankita from Republic. First of all, 2 days to go for Jagga Jasoos. So, all the best and congratulations. I think movie will be a hit, of course. My question is a bit different, of course. And the question is, it is really important for us to know that the question is on Amarnath attack, terror attack. And we... Hello? Alright. Okay, so we as Indians are uniting and for victims and for supporting them. So we really want you to know, I mean, we really want your answer and your reactions on this, that the terror attack which has happened, what would you like to say?
Well, first of all, we condemn this. It's a total act of horror. Condolences to the families and the victims. But please let us know what you're doing. Through Republic, if we can help in any way.
We actually have launched a campaign that is India for Amarnath.
Okay, I will contact you. I will try and contribute as much as I can. But yes, I think these times like this where the country has to unite, people from every strata of society, everyone comes together, because it is the evil. I don't understand what is the gain out of it, why people do it. It is the worst side of a human being. And yeah, it's very shameful, that it's happening within our world.
Thank you so much.
I think there's another really amazing campaign also going on, Not in My Name. Yeah, I think they're also doing some really interesting things towards it, and I've seen a lot of my friends have been taking part.
Thank you so much, guys, and especially thank you, and wish you all the luck.
आप आ रहे हो ना मेरे साथ?
No.